Hey everyone, welcome back to Quiz Uno. Today's challenge is guess the restaurant. Can you identify famous restaurant using only two emojis? You will have just a few seconds for each one. So think fast, comment your score at the end. And don't forget like and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Let's get started. These emojis are hiding a famous restaurant. Can you crack it? Time's up. The answer is Subway. Look closely at the emojis and make your best guess. It's Burger King, the king of this round. Only true food lovers will get this one right. It's Sonic Dive-In, Speedy Guess or Total Miss. Can you solve this restaurant puzzle before the timer runs out? The answer is Pizza Hut. Did you grab the slice of victory? Think fast. What restaurant do these emojis represent? It's Wendy's. Did you spot it before the reveal? This one is trickier than its look. What's your guess? The correct answer is Chipotle. Put your restaurant knowledge to the test. It's Stick and Shake. Can you connect the clues and find the answer? The correct answer is Popeyes. Let's see if these emojis gives away the restaurant name. It's KFC. Finger licking? Good, if you got it right. Food fans, this one's for you. What's the answer? The correct answer is Wingstop. Did your guess take flight? Take a good look. Do you recognize the restaurant? It's Taco Bell. Did the emojis ring a bell for you? Comment your guess before the answer appears. The answer is Dunkin' Donuts. This emojis combo is hiding a popular restaurant. Can you find it? It's Dairy Queen. Only the smartest viewer will get this one. The correct answer is Cars JR. Ready for another challenge? What's your guess? It's Blaze Pizza. The answer was on fire. The clock is ticking. Name the restaurant. It's Wild Castle. Did you build the right guess? Can you decode these emojis in time? The correct answer is McDonald's. This restaurant is famous, but can you spot it? It's Ben & Jerry's. Cool guess if you got it. Let's see who's restaurant expert. The answer is Domino's. These clues are simple, or are they? It's Starbucks. Beautiful guessing skills. Think carefully before you lock in your answer. It's Five Guy. Counted the clue correctly. Can you beat the timer and guess correctly? The correct answer is Panda Express. One wrong guess and you are out. What's your answer? It's just chicken. These emojis are tell a story. What's the restaurant? The answer is Jack in the Box. Don't overthink. Maybe you should. It's Captain D's, a captain-worthy guess. This one stumps most people. Can you solve it? The correct answer is Arby's. Only a few viewers get this one right. It's sweet green. Look at these emojis from a different angle. Any ideas? The answer is Firehouse Subs. Restaurant detectives, your next case start now. It's Mary Brown. This emoji's puzzle is harder than it seems. The correct answer is Whataburger. Can you figure it out before everyone else? It's Shack Shake. The answer is right in front of you. Can you see it? The answer is Tim Hortons. Final challenge, can you guess this restaurant correctly? It's Waffle House, Crispy Clue, Sweet Victory. How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next quiz.